ready for my Sunday punch. Sunday dinner is not Sunday dinner without your nice carrot juice. You know, you strong it up with your Guinness and your dragon. And I'm adding a tip of molasses in mine today. That's so nice when it's chill and nice, or it's just for, or you can do it for dessert as well because it's that good. So let's go. Alright, so here are my ingredients. I have some fresh cinnamon leaf. I am going to boil this in the water for the carrot juice. I also have some cinnamon stick and I have some lovely fresh carrots, so I'm going to wash. I have some nut and egg here with me, sweet and condensed milk, dragon stout, yaman, Guinness, yaman, and some molasses. Now you know molasses is very powerful and it's good for the nerves. So this is our ingredients for our carrot juice. Let's get started. So we're going to wash our carrots now. Taking off the top, the bottom, and anywhere you see any little impurities that you want to get rid of, you can do that. So we're going to boil them in the skin because you know a lot of the nutrient is in the skin and under the skin. Then I have a new Scotch Brite. I'm just going to wash these, pour them out of the pan so I can wash them under the running water. You want to wash off these like this so you get off. Don't scrub it too hard to get off the skin, but just enough so you get off any dirt or anything of the sort off your carrots. You know, so you get them nice and clean. And this is 2 pounds of carrots. So we finished washing. And I'm gonna cut them up. These are local Jamaican carrots. They're a little bit more hard than the imported carrots, but they're very powerful in flavor. There's a cutting board if you wish. I'm just lazy right now. Water to cook them in. Then we're gonna go to our stove. Literally boiling these with half a teaspoon of salt. You just need a little tip of salt. Remember, salt balances out your flavor, a lot of flavor. Bring it together, make everything taste a little better if you apply it properly. So you have to apply it just right. Ready, we're gonna move over to our stove. Alright, so I'm gonna let this cook, come back and check on them in half an hour. Checking on our carrot now. Right, yes, it's soft enough. So we're gonna take this off and put this aside to cool. So it's nice and cooked. I'm taking out the cinnamon from it. Adding the liquid and the carrots, everything in the blender. Blend this to a creamy smooth. So this is cool and nice because you don't want to blend it hot and burn up yourself. This is nice and smooth. Wow, rich and nice. I'm gonna add a little water to this, just a little bit of water. You don't want to waste anything. In with my stout. In with my Guinness. Splash of nutmeg. My sweetened condensed milk. If you want your punch a little bit more liquid, you can add more water to it. This is how I like mine. And I'm gonna add that molasses in. Now the molasses is strong, so I'm not adding too much. A teaspoon, I'm gonna add more, but I'm doing it gradually because I don't want the color to be too dark, because it will change the color. You can add that to your liking. Taste for sweetness. Perfect. Just a little bit more nutmeg, I'll be good. Now I'm going to serve this over ice. A little nutmeg for garnishing. And I'm gonna pop a cinnamon stick on top. This is ready. Let me taste. Tongue around water, mouth around water. It was supposed to be a taste. It was supposed to be a taste. But when I put that glass in my head, I couldn't stop drinking. This is so good. It's refreshing, nice. The carrot, the cinnamon, everything in there is just a nice blend. Don't have a big meal with this because this is filling. But thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. Please remember, if you're not a subscriber, please do the subscription button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get all my new and exciting dishes. Until next time, from my kitchen to yours, have a blessed one.